Hi everyone, today I will show you how to load AMT Automag 222 Magnum magazine with 3D printed loader. Link to the loader you can find in the description. There are 4 simple steps. Press loader, insert round, lift loader, push. Press, insert, lift, push, and repeat the process. Simple and easy. That's it.